Hello, my name is Adrian Josan and I'm a training manager at Emerson. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the display and the electronic box from the Rosemount 3408 level transmitter. In order to do this, you will need a Torx T20 screwdriver and the spare components. We will first replace the display from the Rosemount 3408 level transmitter. Before starting, please make sure that the transmitter isn't powered. Once you've checked that, we will remove the lid. After removal, you will see two clips on either side of the display. Gently push them towards each other and lift out the display unit. To install a new display, line up the pins on the underside of the display with the pins on the transmitter electronics. Then gently push the two clips together and insert the display. A click will be heard, indicating that the display has been successfully inserted, and the clips should return to their original position. To ensure that the display is safely mounted on the device, try to gently lift the display. If it moves, make sure the pins are oriented correctly and apply some additional pressure. Now, you simply need to close the lid and you're done. When replacing the electronics box of the Rosemount 3408 level transmitter, start by removing the lid, and if a display is installed, remove it as well. Then, disconnect the wires from the electronic box and loosen the 3 Torx T20 screws that holds it. After that, lift the old electronic box straight up. Insert the new electronic box into the transmitter, ensuring that the screws locations are on the same side as those in the previous electronic box. Then, tighten the screws firmly in place. Connect the wires again. If applicable, add the display and close the lid. It's that simple to replace the electronics or the display from the Rosemount 3408 level transmitter. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Emerson representative.